Hey friends, if you wish to fix OneDrive error with the error code 0x80049d61 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have a command for you. Just copy it, press Windows plus R, paste it here and hit enter. Now it didn't work on my system because my OneDrive is active, but this is how you can reset OneDrive and it will relaunch OneDrive and in most probability fix it. But there is one exception to it if security updates are not installed on the system. So in this case, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane and just turn the switch on this one to get the latest updates as soon as possible. So once security updates are installed, it will fix a lot of your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.